Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to convert the PDF file to image. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Go to any browser, type PDF to image, go to the site, select your PDF file, choose the image quality. Normal is recommended, so I'll leave it as it is, and convert it. Images are ready to download it, and they are in Downloads folder. You can reach there by clicking Show in Folder, and I extract them into a folder. Here are our 3 images. I hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion, whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!